Hi guys! For today's video ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano magsesell ng asset or crypto sa OKX mobile app. And I'm gonna explain to you what are the difference between market and limit order. So without further ado, let's dive in. So open lang natin yung OKX mobile app. This is the user interface ng mobile app. So check ko lang yung assets kung ano yung ibebenta ko. Just tap assets. I have Bitcoin, Solana, XRP, BNB. For the purpose of this video, ibebenta ko yung kalahati ng ETH. So next, paano ba natin to ibebenta sa spot trading? So navigate lang natin yung trade na icon below. Meron kayong makikitang dalawang button dyan, buy and sell. So since na magsesell tayo ng Ethereum or ETH, so we're gonna select sell. Meron tayong dalawang option kung paano mag-execute ng order. So meron tayong market order and meron tayong limit order. Kapag sinasabi nating market order, kung ano yung current price ng Ethereum, yun yung automatic na ma-execute na order. Alright? Kapag sinasabi nating limit order, buy or sell at a specified price. Alright? Tap lang natin yung limit order. And then we're gonna set the price of Ethereum here. For example, 2,550. So kapag yung market price ng ETH ay umabot ng 2,550, automatic ma-execute na yung order natin. Ang option na gagamitin ko ngayon ay ang market order. Papalitan lang natin to. Market order. Alright? So 50% of Ethereum. Drag lang natin tong line. Paano natin ma-execute yung market order? So tap lang natin yung sell ETH na button sa baba. And then, confirm. Alright? Order placed. Now, paano natin malalaman or mako-confirm natin kung na-execute nga ba yung order natin? Just click the icon history sa baba. Alright, nandito na yung history ng order natin. Makikita natin dyan, ETH, yung asset na binenta natin. We can see the order amount, the field, and the field price. Now, i-check natin yung assets kung nag-reflect na ba yung USDT. So, back lang natin to. And then, tap assets. And then, sa baba, so meron na tayong 26.29 na USDT. So, ganun lang mag-sell ng assets sa spot trading. So there you go, that's the process on how to sell crypto on OKX mobile app. If you found this video useful, please share and like because it will help a lot on my channel. On my next video ay tuturuan ko naman kayo kung paano magka-cash out ng crypto sa P2P trading papunta sa GCash e-wallet. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.